Hi everyone, today we are going to revise chapter 4, that is quadratic equations. Before starting any of the question, let us understand the meaning of quadratic equations. Children, as I have told you in the chapter polynomial, that if you have highest power of the variable as 2, highest power of the variable is 2, then it is quadratic. But if I am using equation, that means I have to use equal to sign. So quadratic equations general form can be written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If you are not writing equal to 0, that means you are just writing a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. But if it contains equal to 0, then it gets converted into quadratic equation. Now children, quadratic equation can be solved by different methods. One, you have learned splitting, middle term splitting method. So first method is your middle term splitting method. Middle term splitting. Second method you have learned, you can find it out by quadratic formula method. And third you have by completing the square method. Completing the square method. Children, you don't have to read this method over here because board has deleted this topic from your syllabus. So now you are left with middle term splitting and quadratic formula. So in middle term splitting, again you can get two types of questions. One question in which the coefficient of x square is 1. If coefficient of x square is 1, then you can directly take this value c and you can start factorizing it. But if coefficient of x square is not 1, then in that case, let's suppose this is your quadratic equation, then in that case, first of all you have to multiply this coefficient with the last constant value, and then you have to factorize the product. Alright, so in middle term splitting you can get these two different types of questions. When you talk about quadratic formula, you need to remember how we can find out the roots of a quadratic equation. So it is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where this a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is the constant term. So you will be writing the values from your given quadratic equation. Now this b square minus 4ac is also known as discriminant. Discriminant, which is represented with capital D. So b square minus 4ac is also used in finding out the nature of the roots. So whenever you want to find out nature of roots, then you have to apply b square minus 4ac formula. If after solution you get it equal to 0, then you say roots are equal and real. If you get it equal to 0, if b square minus 4ac after solution, if it gives you equal to 0, then you can say roots are equal and real. If it gives you a positive value, then you say roots are real and different. But if you get it as a negative value, then you say roots are imaginary. That means roots does not exist. So for nature of roots, you can always apply, you can always remember this formula b square minus 4ac. The question can come find out the nature of root, or it can also come if the roots are equal and real, then find out. That means you have to apply this b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If this is coming roots are equal and real, then this equal to 0 also you will be applying over here. If only nature of root is asked, then you will be just applying b square minus 4ac, that means without equal to sign. But if it is given roots are equal and real, then you will be applying equal to 0 also. Here, this quadratic formula, which is also known as Sridhar Acharya's formula, it means you will have the value first. Here plus minus means once you will have plus value over here, b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and once you will have negative value over here. So what you need to do, you need to just divide into 2. So this is minus b plus and b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You need not to do different calculations. You just write down all the values over here, and once you write down plus and next time you write down minus over there. So this is all about quadratic equations. Children, if you want to see solutions of questions of quadratic equation, then I have provided link in the description box. You can click that link and go to those solutions.